Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to add to my series. It is my Collage Red series is what I'm calling it, and it's a playlist that I will put at the end of the end screen for you, and you guys can get all caught up with me. And what I'm doing is a really cool, just different, gluing down some scraps and getting that as a base, and then adding some gesso and just like black paint, just acrylic, some gold splattered on it. I even have some watered down gesso, some stencils. We'll throw some stencils in there. Some fun deli paper that I've just did some fun collaging on, so that'll be fun to glue down and throw in there. And then some napkins, some black napkins with white gesso stamped on it. So I think that could be fun. Oh, and I have some backgrounds. I got a whole pile of mess happening around me. I'm in the middle of it here. So I got some background stencils. These are my 6x6 stencils that are fun to use. And I'll have some of this stuff down in my Amazon links down below if you want to come check them out. But yeah, so, and I'm also incorporating my red fabrics in each one. This is going to be a set of 5 that I'm going to have into my Etsy shop when they're all said and done. It's going to be digitals. And yeah, my Etsy links down below. You guys come check them out. But these will be the fabrics I'm going to incorporate in. So I'm adding those throughout. And what I have here is some watercolor paper. And it is 9x12, 40 pound, 300 GSM. And I got this at Walmart is where I've purchased this at. So I got that. And then I just did some masking tape around. Yeah, so I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. And I'm going to do it in a time lapse, and I will pop in and out and explain some things to you guys. And yeah, so we'll go from there. All right, so I'm liking the way that it's turning out here. And what I want to show you guys a little bit of things I did here. So I did some crackle paste, distress crackle paste, which this is down in my Amazon links, plus the distressed texture paste. So those 2 things are down there. But I did a little crackle paste around in some areas. I did some stenciling, and then took some of the bright apple red, and went over it a little bit to help with balancing. Did some of the fabric and glued that down, and did some napkins. I went ahead and did the napkins with the stamped gesso on there. And I really like the way that this fabric with the little threads that are hanging off, I kind of just went with it and let them all hang and go throughout there. And yeah, so I just wanted to stop, and if you guys are enjoying this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me out, and make sure to subscribe. I'm going to keep going and add the word love here. So I'm going to stencil in the word love. I'm going to do it right here, and I think I'm going to do it with gesso. I'll do it with some white gesso on the black napkin. I think that'll look great. And then add some more, maybe some Rit dye sprays, which I'll show you my Rit dye. It's just a liquid form of like a dye. It's like a fabric dye that you can use, but it works great on papers and etc. So this is just a wine color, and I think I have wine and black in here with water, so I diluted it. And those are the sprays. This is what I've been using throughout all. This is my third one of the series, so I've been using that. So that's what Rit dye is. And so I got that in the spray bottle, and yeah, I'm just going to continue and go from there. And at the end, I'm going to take off the tape all the way around it, and then take some of the distressed oxide black soot and just do that around the edge, and yeah, then we'll be where we're at. So I just wanted to stop, show you guys that real quick, what I've added to it, and now I'm going to continue my madness. That's it. I got it all done. I went ahead and did the black soot oxide just around the edge, and just to frame it all off. And I think it turned out really cool, as you can see. And I'll make sure to get some good pictures at the end here that you guys can see all the details. I'll get different angles and stuff. But yeah, I think it turned out really cool. Just all the little splatters, and I think the word life turned out neat. Because sometimes life is messy, that's for sure. Okay, so I hope you guys found this informational, and if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.